Okay, so let's look at the inside of the cabinets. Make sure that the microwave works, I guess. Oven. Okay. Fan. Lights everywhere in here. I'll start turning them on. Overhead light. Go in the bathroom next. Let's go through the cabinets. See in there. This is the big bag of instructions that you asked about. This is the privacy curtain. Show how that works. Now, notice this too. I think that may come out, but I haven't worked on it. Shows that. I shouldn't show the windows. The windows crank out fine. You see it going? Okay. Slide those curtains. Sorry. Let me pop this back up. And this one slides open. Curtains are cold, I guess. What's the show? We showed that. These cabinets. I'm going to turn the TV on. The TV's got a car stereo amplifier, and I'll show that to you in a minute so you can hear it better. That crunching noise is the amplifier kicking in. Turn this fan off. Make sure all the lights working. We're waiting for that to start up. Those work. What other lights do we have? Oh, we got a light over the bunk. Oh, thanks, Moms. Lights on. This light's up here. Reading light. On that side. Okay. No disc, it says. Got really good sound, the car amplifier added to it. I'll show you where that is. The car amp is located underneath the bench here. This is the car amplifier here, and this is the subwoofer that you're hearing. There's lots of room for storage underneath there too. Seat back. The idea there. Let's stop it. Got those cabinets right. Okay. Refrigerator. Work our way back. And then I'm going to show that the refrigerator the gas and the electrical will work here. So to turn it on, normally you just put it to auto, but since we're plugged in, I'll put it to gas and The propane should kick on here. If you can hear that or not. Can you? I'll take it. I'm gonna walk outside so you can hear the propane kicked on.